I can't talking properly because of the bumpy road. Trip request is coming. Trip request is coming again and again, but I am not taking any trip request because I want to go to Motovlog. I should go opposite side of the road, but how can I go? I feel like I have to go a little ahead, the front, then I have to take a U-turn. Otherwise there is no way, there is no another way. So I am going. After going a little ahead, I'll take a U-turn. Now I am going to Bonusri and I got this trip request from Motovlog. The distance is probably 6 kilometers plus, and when I picked this trip, I didn't see the trip fare. I'll be able to see this after dropping him off. And where I'm riding my bike, I don't know because I don't know roads well. Now I have to make a U-turn from here. I'm near at my customer's drop-off location and I have to go 190 meters away to drop off him. I got 150 taka after completing this trip, and this is my last trip. I won't take any trip today, so I'll go to my home. Trip request is coming. Trip request is coming again and again, but I am not taking any trip request because I want to go to Motovlog. This user will go to Motovlog. I turned on my headlight because after a while it will be evening, so I turned on it and it is working like a safety features, because opposite side's vehicle can notice me easily because of the headlight. Okay. Which bike is this? Oh, I will see this after coming in front of him. Oh, it is a electric vehicle. I feel like it's cute. Cute and beautiful. Not bad. Literally my bike is bumping here. What a road. Road condition is pretty bad, but it is fun to ride. It's one lane road, so both sides road, so from both sides vehicles are coming. It is very dangerous as well. I can't talking properly because of the bumpy road. Oh, I feel like bumpy road ended from here. In front of me I can see a little traffic because of that yellow colored bus. What is it doing? Oh, I have to turn on from here. Okay. I crossed the bus. I think road is free from here. If road is free from here, then it will be good for me. Because today I rode my bike full of the traffic. Now I have come to Amulia Model Town and I will buy a juice from this shop because I am very thirsty today. I bought this for 35 taka. This is that juice. This juice name is SMC Plus. Now I will start my bike, then I will go a little further, then I will drink this because there are a lot of dirt. I'll keep here. I hope it don't fall on the road. Where I will stop. I feel like I will stand here. It would be a good place. Okay, I'll stand here and I will stop my video here because I will drink this now.